You are going to be amazed at how simply you can scale your Etsy business with this simple design strategy tutorial that I'm going to show you today using KITTL. Go ahead and tap that subscribe button because I'm going to be sharing weekly tips and tricks to help you scale your print-on-demand businesses. Okay, so how I fell into learning about this design strategy, I noticed I had a bestseller in my shop that was doing really well, and in my head I thought, that design could actually apply to other niches. So what I did was I made a list of the different niches that design pairs well with, and then I substituted some of the words from the design to match these new niches. I listed them on Etsy, and then suddenly I had bestsellers, and this opened my eyes to making templates and designs that can be compatible with many different niches so that I could scale out my Etsy business. We're going to jump into KITTL, and I'm going to show you a really simple design technique in order to do this yourself within your Etsy shop. All right, so now we are in KITTL. We're going to come up here to t-shirts. And I'm going to type in just a niche into the search. I'm going to use teaching for my example. Teaching. And I'm going to take a look at the templates and see which one I like and also which one could potentially be applied to other niches. So I really like this one, cool teacher vibes. It's a nice retro-y design, and retro is in right now. And teaching is a superpower. This is always a good saying for multiple niches. So first I'm going to click on cool teacher vibes, and we're going to click use this design. And right away, I'm going to get rid of this background here. Since it's going to be on a t-shirt, I don't want this box to appear on my t-shirt. So I'm going to click, you just click the background, and I'm going to come over here to opacity and put it at 0%. And that will give me a transparent background. Now, let's say I put this design in my shop and I start to make sales on it. I know that this design is in demand for the teacher niche, and most likely it will be in demand for other niches as well. And this can so easily be changed in a matter of seconds. So if this shirt begins to sell, I will then come back into KITTL and I will find my design template and I will just click on teacher. And I will change it to, let's say, mama. And that quickly, now I have a cool mama vibes design for the mom niche. And I'm going to make a running list of niches that this could be applied to, and very quickly make my designs, save them as PNGs, and list them in Etsy. I could do cool aunt vibes. I could do cool sister vibes. I could do a whole running list of professions, cool nurse vibes. And that fast, I can have dozens of designs in a matter of minutes. Okay, and we're back here now. I'm going to show you simply how we can change this design to many different niches. So I'm going to make my background 0% opacity so that it's a transparent background. And I'm just going to simply click on teaching. And I'm going to change it to maybe designing is my superpower. And you just need to be a little bit careful. If the box is not long enough, you're just going to come over here and drag it out. And then you will be able to center your design. The dotted lines will appear to let you know that it is centered. Designing is my superpower. Maybe this is a shirt for graphic designers. Maybe I want to change it to coding is my superpower. And then I'll bring this box in closer and move this over to make it centered. Maybe I want to make a shirt for a writer. Writing is my superpower. Again, in a matter of minutes, you can have dozens of t-shirt designs for dozens of niches. I'm going to go back into KITTL. And before I typed in teaching, I'm going to show you just by simply typing in a word, a little bit different, you're going to get different designs. So this time I'm going to type in teacher. and it is populating more designs for me. Here is another one that we could change around. It's me, hi, I'm the designer, it's me. We could say, it's me, hi, I'm the teacher, it's me. It's me, hi, I'm the mom, it's me. This one says half coffee, half teacher. You could turn it into half coffee, half nurse, and you would just delete these little graphics and turn it into nurse graphics. These are really great for custom orders. If you put this up in your shop and it begins to sell, every time you make an order, you just come back to this graphic and you would just switch out the name of the teacher that was on your order. Again, if you have this black background, there's going to be a big black box on your t-shirt. So I always suggest to make that opacity 0% so that you have a nice transparent background design. And this would look best though on a dark color t-shirt. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see the custom name. I really love to use KITTL for this scaling technique because they have a bunch of done for you graphics already that can be changed in a matter of seconds, as you just saw. You can try out KITTL for free using the link in my description below. I do receive a small commission for any of the links used below.